Hey guys, this is Chad with Metalworks with another update on the 55 build. And as you can see, the focus here has been paint work. And it's kind of been all over the place with all the various components and then the main body. And you can see we have various styles of clear between the satin and the gloss to create that two-tone effect. So I got a bunch of footage from you guys, everything from the doors being taken all the way back to color build, all the way up through their 2 stages of clear coat and everything in between. So that's where we stand for now, and thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, it's a busy morning here on the 55. Tony's sanding on parts, getting them ready for their second clear coat. Meanwhile, Trevor's taking all the small components off from the racks that are painted. All your small holding tanks, e-stop brackets, everything like that. He shot them yesterday, as well as all the Art Morrison chassis components. So the last thing to do is will be to spray the main chassis itself. Tony's got the doors prepped, so those are ready. This is just sanded out color build right now, so they're ready for base coat. And meanwhile, Ken is prepping the firewall for its next coat of clear. So lots going on with the 55 this morning. Ken's spraying the clear coat, the second clear coat on the firewall. Ken just got done spraying base and clear coat on the doors. prepping everything out for clear coat again.
So right now we've got this fender that has been cut with 6, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 2,000, 3,000, and then 5,000. So this is the stage right before we actually do our polishing. And then on this one here, Tony has started to do the first step of polishing with the #1 compound and a white wool or white foam pad to get the finished gloss that we want on it. We'll go through 2 more steps after this.
Very cool. It's obviously already looks amazing, and we're got more steps to go.
That's it.
So that's where we are. So the fenders are the furthest along, and but everything for the entire car will be going through this process. So a lot of work. All right, guys, you see the 55's back in the booth. Ken's doing final prep. He's going to be spraying the underside of the hood and the top side of the dash in a satin, the same type of finish that the firewall has. Ken spraying the satin clear under the hood and on the dash. Right here you can see the top of the dash and the satin clear. So the lower portion is gloss, top portion is satin. There you can see inside the hood. Also has the satin treatment. Right, guys, you can see Ken is spraying clear on the doors. They've already been cleared once, and then they're sanded down, and this is their second time being shot in clear. So that's gloss. Then you can see the deck lid here, kind of the cat's out of the bag here on how we're creating a two-tone. We're doing it with a gloss clear and a flat clear. So the roof, the deck lid, part of the quarters, all that stuff is being shot in a low satin finish. So I can actually show you. This is the product that he's shooting to create the two-tone in the clear. So just the finish and the type of clear coat they're using is what's going to create the two-tone effect on the car. There Ken's laying down the clear on the deck lid, and he's just doing a quick touch-up area on the hood. Well, Ken's in the booth spraying clear. Trevor and Tony have been prepping the body. So all the areas that you can see that are still exposed will be receiving the satin or low gloss clear coat. So again, here's the rendering. Kind of shows you the areas again in the gloss and the flat clear. Alright, you can see the doors that have been re-cleared. Here's the underside of the hood and the satin finish. As well as the trunk lid. See, this is the finished product for the trunk. So that'll be the two-tone effect between this and the gloss that's on the rest of the car. Alright, Ken's laying down the satin clear on the main body. Just getting started here. Alright, you can see the satin finish on the clear coat on the body. It'll be exciting to get it unmasked here and see the satin clear versus the gloss clear, get the real effect of the two-tone. Tony just finished buffing the hood. Just give you a look at it here. Alright guys, here's the 55 body. As you can see in the two-tone with the satin and the gloss clears. You can see now the mixture of the satin on the firewall, the gloss up into the top of the cowl, then the satin on top of the dash, and then it's a kind of a two-tone on the dash with the gloss on the bottom and the satin on top. So the body is completely done. Next step will be heading over to the assembly bay and being sat onto the Art Morrison chassis. Really came out beautiful. The guys in the body shop did an amazing job on it. Extremely happy with the results. So that's where things stand. So the next video will be over in the assembly bay starting to put it together. So thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys again real soon.